everyone, in this video I will show you how to return Shein items. So first and foremost, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Shein application to avoid any errors and conflicts while using this application. So go to your App Store or Google Play Store, type Shein and then tap Update. Once updated, you're gonna open your Shein application. Now, it's so easy to locate this return option right here. Basically, the first thing you must do is, of course, look for the specific item here that you want to return. So tap Me, and then you have to go to All Orders. Okay, you should see the All Orders here. And then there, you should see this return option. So on use, expired, you have to simply swipe until you see the return option right here. So as you can see under Shein order, you will see this return and you will see all of the items that you want or you have submitted to return to the owner. Now, basically, after you have select that product you would like to return, now you need to indicate the reason and submit. So according to your request, a return number has been successfully obtained. So you just have to follow the return list guidance to complete the return. Now, it is also said that the reason why you cannot return an item if you see that you cannot return that, it's because Shein has this return policy that you need to return the item within 45 days. Others have this 30 days. So if you are using the item already, or if it's like 50 days or more, basically you cannot return the Shein item. But it's so easy. You just have to locate the return option and then type the reason why you want to return this. You can add a picture to that as a proof and then submit and wait for them to respond and help you to return your item. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.